am going to be sharing a home tour with all of you. I hope you feel welcome and invited into my home. I will be sharing a few things in my home as to where I got them, but if there's anything specific that you see that I don't clearly talk about and say I got this from such and such store or how long ago I got it, let me know in the comments below if you have any questions. I'm so excited to share my home with you. I'm a little bit nervous, but I am excited. I worked really hard to make this little rental house a home. I hope you enjoy this home tour, so let's jump into it. This is the view from our front door. This is what you would see as you walk in. I'm going to scan the room and then I will go in and show you detail of decorations and little trinkets and things that we have scattered around. And then there's some pictures and a little welcome sign. So right here, the first thing I want to really talk to you about is our console table. I love it. It's from Amazon. It was $35. I would link it down below, but it's currently unavailable. So if you need a cheap console table, check Amazon. The quality is not cheap. It feels very sturdy and heavy duty, and I would have paid probably about $100 for it, to be honest. That plant is from Walmart, this little guy, but he's going back because I don't like how small he is compared to the console table. And then I have these little people, you'll see them periodically throughout my video. They're called willow trees. They each have a special meaning. This is not a picture, it's a book. It's about our love story and our journey together and special memories. This beautiful picture right here is of the Logan LDS Temple. And then I have a welcome sign up there, a cute lamp. This picture is pretty big. It's probably about 3 feet by 3 feet. It's from Hobby Lobby. I got it for $10 on clearance. We have a tote full of blankets, and then our entertainment center is from IKEA. This is a cube organizer. I honestly don't like it, to be honest, for this purpose. I do like it in ways to organize or to decorate with it, but I hate that you can see all of the cords. I do not love it, and I do not really love all these little totes that don't match. I feel like it looks like a dorm room. But we couldn't find an entertainment center or something to put our TV on that we loved. It had to happen fast because we bought a TV and we needed to set it up. So we thought we'll go with something practical that we can reuse when we find something we love and replace it, and we would just use this for organization or something else, put it in our garage or whatever. So it's from IKEA, like $70, super inexpensive and practical, but not for TV purposes. These are little baskets. They're wood. I painted them black with craft paint. You can find these at Hobby Lobby or Michael's. They're just wood, so simple, but I stacked them on top of each other so that we could put our popcorn popper on there, and then added this little ticket because I thought it pulled the whole look together. It's from Hobby Lobby. Moving right along is our bookshelf. This is from IKEA. It's probably about 5.5 feet tall, and I put our pictures on there, another little willow tree, a doctor of physical therapy sign. I gave that to Justin when he graduated to say, good job, I'm so proud of you. So I like to add little things to shelves that mean a lot to us, so you'll see that a lot in my home. And then this red shelf right here is pretty tall. It was a wedding gift right before we got married. My mom gave it to us, and I just filled it with pictures. I don't love how it looks. I will be redoing it for fall, so I'm excited for that. And then from there, this is our Chase lounge chair. It's gray, it's a blue gray. It's really pretty. I liked it because it looks classy and elegant and sophisticated. And when we have a home of our own, we can use it in different ways. So I thought it would be a very versatile piece if we wanted to put it in like a greeting room or a home office or whatever. I felt like it was very versatile that way. That quilt is homemade from Justin's grandma. It was a wedding gift. That little table is our side table. That was a wedding gift. That couch is 5-6 years old. It came from Ashley Home Furnishings. One thing I want to tell you, rugs are expensive. but I will tell you, you can get a really good deal on rugs from Ross. If you have a Ross near you, go check it out. This rug probably would have ran me $100. I mean, for the size of it and the quality, it's amazing. And rugs, they can be so rough and just crummy and crappy, but you can pay a lot for them. So check out Ross if you need a rug. I love that one. You would think it would be super dirty, but it's not. And I like that it doesn't collect dust and dirt and make it look filthy. So you know it's a good rug when it acts like a good rug. So moving right along to our gallery wall. This is just a couple pictures, and then I added a clock and a little sign my mom made before we got married. I'm thinking of adding a few more pictures to it. Let me know what you think, what your thoughts are. If you think I should add some stuff to it or keep it, if you like it, let me know in the comments down below. I'm curious to what you guys think about that little gallery wall. So moving right along, this is our spare bedroom. I'll flip the light on. But this is kind of like a little nook. You can see the wall is not flush all the way. It has a little indent, but there's a lamp, a really pretty canvas. This is our dresser that goes with the bedroom set in here, and a cute thrifted chair. I thought about putting a landing bench in here or a really cute couch, but I wanted our guests to have somewhere to put their clothing, and they can put their stuff on top if they need a place to put it. And then I hung curtains from IKEA. I pinned them up and with a little bow. I think it looks more elegant and classy. And then the bedding, the 2 side tables, and that cute little decor up there. That is from IKEA, or not IKEA, Hobby Lobby. I don't know why I keep saying IKEA, probably because we got a few things from IKEA. Our bedside tables actually do not match. They look pretty similar somewhat. This one is from IKEA, and that one, I'll show it to you more up close. It came from the thrift store, and I redid it and added that little knob. And then I just put the bedding all together. The bedding is from Pottery Barn. It's an amazing quality. Their stuff is kind of expensive sometimes, but truly it lasts forever. We've had this bedding for about 4 or 5 years, and it still looks brand new. When our guests come, they just fold it back, and we give them other blankets to use so it doesn't get worn out and gross. And then this is just a little runner rug. It came from Ross for about $10. And on this side, we have a big closet and a really cute picture. So I kept this room pretty simple. I didn't want our guests to feel like they were in our bedroom. I wanted it to be a spot that was very neutral, inviting, and warm. And so I kept that as a goal as I decorated this place. So that's why it's not filled with all of our pictures and things. It's just a place they can come and feel warm and invited in our home. Now walking down the hall, this is a linen closet. There's 2, there's one here and then at the other side of the bathroom. This is a big picture of Justin and I. I was laughing when I thought a 16 by 20 was a really good idea for a picture of myself and my husband. I feel like it's so big, but for the space in the wall, it's perfect. And this day where he graduated was priceless, you guys. It was such a special day. I felt like we were starting our lives, like we were getting married for the first time. It was just a very beautiful and priceless day. If you're going to school, keep on trucking. There is light at the end of the tunnel, and if you are thinking about going, I promise it pays dividends, and it's crazy. Blood, sweat, tears, and everything is worth an education. And then this is just a picture of our Savior. So I kept my hallway really simple, but this is our spare bathroom. This is the bathroom our guests use. I wanted them to have their own space and a place that they felt like we weren't trampling over them and making them feel like we were smothering them. I kept this bathroom very bright, and these little towels are from Walmart, the cheapest towels because our guests don't use them. They're just for decoration. This little sign says when all else take a bath. It's from Hobby Lobby. This bathroom set came from Walmart. It came with the hooks and the mats and the shower curtain. It was pretty inexpensive, but I liked the colors and I like that it's pretty neutral. Our clock is from Walmart. I do have these from different holidays, obviously, but I do it because they usually run clearance deals when soaps like that are out of season, so I stock up, and then I'm actually planning on putting that in a soap dispenser, so I haven't done that yet, and then I will. And then lotion right there. I don't use a ton of lotion, I'm going to be honest, but we had guests that do like lotion, so I kept that out for them. Hopefully they can use it and run through it so that I don't have to throw it away. Right here is the other linen closet that I was talking about. And then right in here is our home office. This is what it looks like from the door. Justin wanted to share an office with me, and so I try to keep this place masculine and feminine at the same time. It was kind of difficult, but I wanted to incorporate both of us in this room. So that mirror is from Walmart. It's like $20. This is all my work jewelry stuff right here. That little lamp right there is from Walmart. This really cute bookshelf is from IKEA. It's got glass shelving. It's very nice. I think I paid about $70 for it. Usually like at West Elm or something like that would be way more money. So I like that it looks expensive, but I didn't have to pay a ton of money. That picture right there it was a gift from Justin to me. It came from Groupon. That chair is a thrift find that I redid. This little box right here, they're great, came from IKEA. I love that they have different prints and colors. I like that it is an accent to our room, but it also adds extra storage. Our tables and chairs are from IKEA. That little shelf is from IKEA, and then I just added sports accents and things for Justin's side. And then this rug, it's not as good quality as my Ross rug, I will be honest, but I liked it for this space. It came from IKEA, $25, very inexpensive. It's not the softest, but it's okay. It serves its purpose. Then coming in here, the floor plan in this little home is very open, and so I've tried to keep it so that it's cohesive, but it doesn't feel like all one room. So our little dining area right here is where we sit and eat and where we host people and enjoy company. This wall, you can tell it's patched because you can see all of the little shadows. I think it's funny. But I couldn't do a plain white wall one more day. So what I did was these little things, they're not paint, they're stickers. I'm sure you can find something similar to it from Hobby Lobby, Target, Walmart, I mean even Amazon. I made them just with a little machine I have called a Silhouette, or a Cricut would do the same thing. I bought that sign from Hobby Lobby, and that little shelf is just decorated with kind of random things, but I'm going to redo it for fall. On this table we have our little table runner and a cute little basket with lots of balls, textured balls, and our rug is from Walmart. I liked the tones. I will say it's not soft. It was $20, so it wasn't that big of a deal, but I wanted it to complete the look. And I love my Ross rug better, my big one. So going right along, this is our kitchen. This big picture right here is from Ross. This little stand right here was my brother's, and he ended up giving it to me, so I took it over. And then all of that decor was wedding gifts or pictures, and that is actually a cookbook. So I used different odds and ends to make it look cohesive and blend everything together. I don't like having a lot of things on my counters because I don't like it to look cluttered. That's my kitchen. We keep it pretty simple. My rug right here by my sink is from Ross, and that little rug over there is from Walmart. And then one last stop, I won't take you to my garage, that's the door you see right outside, but this is my bathroom. I wanted my bathroom to be so cozy, and I wanted it to have a little bit of a darker tone, shabby chic feeling to it. So shower curtain is a set. It came from Family Dollar with a towel and a soap dispenser and the rings that you see up there. It was, I think, like 15 bucks, super inexpensive. It is pretty good quality. That little towel is from Walmart, and I just tied a bow. We've got that little tray with essential oil on the back of the toilet. Our towels right here, we love them. They are not bath mats, they're like bath blankets, bath sheets from IKEA. I think they're about $7, or you can buy the bigger ones, and they are fabulous. Invest in some. They are like a big old blanket. And then right over here is a tray. We've kept it pretty simple. This came from the Target Dollar Spot. It was something you would hang on your wall, but I didn't really know where to hang it, so I took off the hooks and just used it as a little tray. We have mixed metals right here in our bathroom, so I've tried to keep that feeling alive of the mixed metals throughout my home. And that is pretty much my bathroom. I will say the rugs, this little rug is from Family Dollar, and then that little rug is from IKEA, but they're great. And then we have a closet right off here, but I'm not going to show it to you, it's just a closet. But that is our home tour. I hope you enjoyed that house tour. If you did, give it a big thumbs up. Do not forget to hit that subscribe button down below. We'll see you next time. Bye, guys.